Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Girls DIY. Today we are going to open a heart blind bag. Today is February 14. Everyone knows it's Valentine's Day. So this is basically just a Valentine's Day blind bag, but simply I'm just writing hearts blind bag. Let's see, common, rare, amazing. Hope we get amazing. Rare would be fine. Let's open. Snip, snip, snip. Number 1. We got a little heart squishy. I love the checkers on it. Kawaii face. This is pretty good. I'm rating it a 8 out of 10. Next surprise. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. Okay. I think we got something cool. Okay. Oh, we got a headband. And we got our squishy. Let's see what else we got. Oh, we got our sign that says what we got. And then now, let's take away this. Okay. Looks like there's balloons on here. Okay. Now, this looks like it's sticky. What if I stick this on her head? So cute. Let's see the balloons. Double cute. This is so cute. A little loved hat with such cute headband. Now, this is all amazing. Let's see what we actually got. You got rare. That's pretty good. I wonder what amazing would be. What do you guys think amazing would be? Okay. This is what I got from my hearts blind bag. Now, watch on to see how to make these 2 adorable kawaii squishies with just the materials you probably have at home. Now, we are going to make our Valentine's Day blind bag. Okay, so first off, we need to see what materials we need. We need some markers. We need some cotton stuff or polyfill. We need some tape. We need some paper. We need some scissors. And of course, we need a hot glue gun. Okay. Now, to start with, we're gonna get 1 piece of paper. We're gonna fold it in half. Now, we're gonna take a marker. I'm gonna write hearts blind bag, which basically just means Valentine blind bag. First, let's draw a heart here. Then a heart right here. And then for blind bag, we just need a plain black. Hearts blind bag. Okay. Now we can decorate it. Now today we're gonna switch it up a little bit since I want it to be super good. Okay, so we're gonna get 1 color. And change the color. We're gonna draw 1 heart here, and there's gonna be a face that is a sad face. Now it's gonna be common because you don't want to get common. And then we're gonna let's choose 2 more colors, you guys. Okay, I choose 2 more colors. Now we're gonna do the second one. Now this is gonna be just a plain face because you don't know if you're happy or not, and then you get rare. And then when the real excitement comes up, you get amazing. So we need a very happy heart for that. Let's do like this. Amazing. Okay, Now we don't have lots of space, but let's just decorate our heart. Okay, I'm gonna get a light pink, a purple, and let's get our pink. Okay, so first we're going to draw the heart simply using our basic color that I'm using a lot today. And then we're gonna decorate with these colors. Now you guys can decorate however you want, but I'm just gonna do my own style, okay? Now, you guys know me, I really like adding faces, so why not we add a face? Okay, hearts blind bag. Now, do you guys think there's anything else to add? The bottom's blank and the top's blank. What if we added some stars and some hearts? Let's do that. First. Now let's add some hearts. Our purple. Okay, now we have our hearts blind bag. The cover of it. So now we have to make the inside of it. First, we're gonna glue up our blind bag so that it can be secured before we put our supplies in, or just surprises in. So first we're gonna do that. Glue these two sides, so then we have like a little back pocket where we can put our things in, so that it's not just, if it's folded up already, then we can't put anything in. So let's do our first surprise. Number one, we're going to take one piece of paper. This one is going to be the simple one, and then we're going to make one that is going to be so cool. You guys are going to be so happy if you watch to the end. Okay, now to start, we're just going to make a simple heart. Okay. Heart. The eyes aren't really matching, but that's okay. So now we're going to add our decorations. I really like checkers, so that's the vibe I'm going for today. Okay, now we're gonna have to cut it with scissors. If you want, you can add some spaces then, but if you don't want, if you have some like places like this, and you don't want it like that, you can also just cut in there. Okay, now we got this. We can glue half of it. So first we also need a big half. So we're gonna glue this part. Okay, now we're gonna add this on top. Okay, now we are going to add some polyfill in it. Now after you added your polyfill, you can glue this place so that it looks better, so that the polyfill won't run out. Okay. Now we have our heart squishy. Now let's put it into our blind bag like case, and then let's make a really super duper cool one, a surprise. So first, we're just going to draw a simple cat on our piece of paper. Okay, now let's start drawing. You guys might ask me, why isn't my cat having any accessories? Well, I'll tell you soon. my kawaii cat is going to be holding a heart-shaped lollipop. Okay, now we also need the eyes, but then whatever else we don't have, we're going to make, so don't worry. Okay, now these two aside. For now, we gotta take another piece of paper, which is so funny, but we do. So we're gonna basically measure our cat. So basically, it's right here, so you mark a point here. So right here. So then we mark a point here. And then this is kind of hard, but don't worry, it's gonna be worth it. And then here we also need one, so we mark a point here. And then we're gonna make a heart-shaped headband for it. It's gonna be super cute, you guys. Okay. So you go over her head. Okay, basically, it's gonna be like that. Now let's add some more color to it to make it detailed. Okay, now let's cut it so that we can see if it fits our tiny cute cat. Okay, now let's see. That fits her perfectly. It's so cute, right, you guys? Okay, now we're gonna add our tape. I suggest you getting a big piece of tape because like our thing is super like skinny. Okay, now we're gonna roll it up this way because it's gonna be super long. So we need to roll it up this way. Okay, now we have it. Now we're gonna stick it up. It looks a little ugly, but don't worry. Now, if you put it on her, it's gonna stick onto her. And if you wanna take it off her, it also comes off very easily. So yeah, tape is always something you can use. Now, we're gonna add a few more accessories. What do you think the cat needs? Okay, let's see here. Maybe she should be holding balloons in the other hand. Let's make some balloons. First, I forgot to tell you guys, we need to cut a space mat for these to stay on so that they don't just stick onto other things. So then we can just take it off this mat and put it on our cake. Okay, let's first put our headband on. Now let's make our balloons flying in the sky. Okay, let's add 1, 2, 3 strings. Now let's add our colors of the day on. After that, we're gonna cut it. And then we're gonna add some tape. So get our tape again. Now cut it out again. Now let's roll it up the other way this time. Just gonna roll it up one time, not a couple of times. So that is the result of our balloons. This is how we can make him hold it. Isn't that so cute? Okay, and now remember, it's easy to take off. Okay. Let's keep it on this piece of paper now. Okay. Now, let's cut out our cat and make it him magical. Okay. Now, let's add hot glue. Now, first we're gonna do a big side right here. It's maybe a little too much, but it's okay. Okay, We have this much space to add our polyfill. Let's grab some polyfill from our big thing. Remember this side. And then keep adding, keep filling. And then now we can hot glue this side too. Now, we are going to test it out. First, let's try with our headband. A little too big, but let's just cut it off. That's okay. Okay, that is still really cute. Okay, after we cut it off, let's try our balloons. Balloons are not coming out today. Okay. Ta-da! Now that is the result of our second surprise. Do you guys think it was worth the wait? Okay. Put these back onto our sticky pad. Now we can put this surprise into. We can't forget our telling you what you got. Okay. First, let's fold it in half. Right, you got top. Okay. Now we're gonna write what we got. Let's think. This is a really good surprise. I'm gonna give this person rare. Which rare is pretty good. Okay. Now we're putting this in. Don't forget, we also have to glue this part. Now we got our blind bag, and please subscribe. Thank you for watching.